reaching deep or tight corners in ports presents a significant challenge during machining and finishing operations. Limited access can make it difficult for tools to effectively remove material or achieve a smooth surface finish. These areas often require specialized equipment or techniques to ensure precision and consistency. Inadequate access may also increase the risk of defects or incomplete work, impacting the overall quality of the finished component. Addressing these challenges is essential for maintaining high standards in manufacturing and engineering processes. Extended shank burrs are designed with a longer shaft, allowing access to hard-to-reach areas that standard burrs cannot easily reach. This feature is particularly useful in applications requiring deep cavity work or intricate detailing. High helix burrs, on the other hand, have flutes with a steeper spiral angle. This design improves chip evacuation and reduces heat buildup during cutting, making them ideal for working with softer materials or when a smoother finish is desired. Both extended shank and high helix burrs offer specialized advantages, setting them apart from conventional burr designs. Extended shank burrs are specifically designed to reach areas that are otherwise inaccessible with standard tools. Their elongated shafts allow them to navigate deep or recessed spaces within ports, making it possible to perform precise work in challenging locations. The engineering behind these burrs ensures that they maintain stability and control. Even when operating at extended lengths, this design innovation greatly enhances the versatility and effectiveness of the tool, especially in complex procedures where access is limited. High helix and extended burrs have proven to deliver consistent results, especially when operating in deep or confined spaces. Their specialized design allows for efficient material removal while minimizing the risk of clogging. This makes them particularly effective in areas where access is limited and precision is crucial. Users often report smoother finishes and improved control, even in challenging environments. The reliability of these tools has made them a preferred choice for professionals handling intricate or hard-to-reach tasks. Begin by selecting the appropriate extended shank burr for your procedure, ensuring it is clean and free from defects. Carefully mount the burr into the handpiece, making sure it is fully seated and securely tightened. Check the alignment by slowly rotating the burr and observing for any wobble or irregular movement. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves during setup to minimize the risk of injury. Before use, briefly run the tool at low speed to confirm smooth operation and stability. Standard burrs are commonly used in various procedures, but their reach can be limited in certain situations. Extended shank burrs, on the other hand, are specifically designed to provide greater accessibility, especially in hard-to-reach areas. The longer shaft allows practitioners to navigate around obstacles and access deeper or more confined spaces with ease. This increased reach can be particularly beneficial in complex procedures where precision and maneuverability are essential. Choosing the appropriate burr length and helix angle is crucial for achieving optimal results in different port geometries and material types. For intricate or tight port shapes, shorter burrs offer better control and reduce the risk of chatter, while longer burrs are suitable for reaching deeper or less accessible areas. The helix angle also plays a significant role. A higher helix angle typically provides a smoother cut and is ideal for softer materials, whereas a lower helix angle offers more aggressive material removal, making it suitable for harder metals. Matching these characteristics to your specific application ensures both efficiency and precision during porting. When working with extended shank burrs in deep or tight corners, it's important to avoid applying excessive pressure, as this can cause the burr to bend or break. Failing to maintain a steady, controlled speed may also lead to chatter or uneven cutting. Always ensure the burr is properly aligned with the work surface to prevent unwanted tool deflection. Regularly check for signs of wear or damage, and replace the burr as needed to maintain optimal performance. By following these precautions, you can achieve cleaner results and extend the lifespan of your tools. Proper maintenance is essential for extending the lifespan and performance of extended shank and high helix burrs. After each use, Thoroughly clean the burrs to remove debris and residue, which can cause premature wear. Store them in a dry, organized environment to prevent damage and corrosion. Regularly inspect the cutting edges for signs of dullness or chipping, and replace burrs as needed to maintain optimal results. Using the correct speeds and applying minimal pressure during operation also helps preserve their integrity and effectiveness. Extended shank burrs offer significant advantages when working in deep or confined spaces within ports. Their longer reach allows for precise access to hard-to-reach areas, reducing the need for frequent tool changes or repositioning. This not only enhances accuracy, but also helps maintain a smoother workflow. By minimizing interruptions and improving accessibility, extended shank burrs contribute to greater efficiency and overall productivity in complex procedures.